Hey guys, Acquisitions Louis here. I'm about to make a very low offer, and that's not out of disrespect, but the property is not worth too much. There's not much meat on the bone here, so you're about to hear me make a crazy low offer, but sometimes they get taken, and like I said, it's not to take advantage of the homeowner and for us to make a ton of money, but it's the only way the deal will work. So hey man, if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what you want to see. Whew. Get ready for this one. Let's see if they answer. Come on, let's see.
Hello?
Hey, is Louis giving me a call in regards to the property, Friday's property over on. Appreciate your patience here. I was waiting to get some feedback from the team. I was hoping we'd be higher. You said you all have another offer, right? That was pretty high?
I don't remember what the offer was, but I know my husband talked to them, but we're just trying to get, the highest offers we can. I mean,
got it. Okay. Yeah. I
in all honesty.
I almost hesitated to call because the team didn't really want to approve an offer on this one just because of the damage, and also they look at the value as well. Many of the properties we work on are worth like over 350 and higher. So depending on the damage, when it's worth a little less, we can do it, but this is a tear down situation. So they're basically looking at the land value of the property, because we want to rebuild entirely. So they're looking at the land, and then they typically just subtract the demo cost. I'm not sure if you know what the land is worth, but the land is worth about $10,000.
Okay.
So based on the square footage of the home, it's 1,600 square feet. So the demo is essentially the cost of the land. So, with that being said, where our offer is like really, really low. They approved the offer of $2,000 to $3,000.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah.
No.
So
that's
the offer,
more than that.
the offer that you have now, are they trying to rebuild it? Are they going to repair it? Okay. I would double check with them too. Only not for our sake, really, but more so just for yourself. Just so that, because some people they'll purchase and then they'll put like a lien on the property so that you can't do anything. So I would not for us, but more so just for you all's sake, I would just ask kind of like what their plans are with the property. Yeah.
I know the one guy said he couldn't help it. There was somebody else that two people had offered 30,000. So to me, they're going off the same figures. And I know my husband got another offer. I just don't know what that was.
Yep.
And then we're waiting for another one to come back.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Just check with them. Those offers that are at 30, just ask them like what their plans are, and then like maybe take a look at some of their other work. Ask them to send you some of their other work, just so that your husband doesn't get wrapped in the, what do I say? Like, I don't want to say scammy, but I don't know what other word to use, but like scammy situations. They could be legitimate, but just double check with them is all some of their work and stuff. That's all.
I really appreciate it. The whole horrible, but I mean, whatever. What are you gonna do?
Right. Yeah. I'm so sorry. Y'all are just. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Even experiencing it.
The sad part is, I mean, I don't know. Like how he had 4 years to pay it off, and then he was pretty much going to sell it. I mean, he probably could have sold it. I don't know. We're just saying maybe like 150.
Before the fire, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, I didn't really think anything about it because I didn't know anything about the house because I wasn't around with him. But the reason how I got involved with the house, because his ex-wife, long story, but got put in a nursing home, so he had to show proof of everything, blah, blah, blah. So when I got in the papers, and I'll be honest with you, I don't understand why I didn't pay attention, because I used to sell insurance, so I didn't understand why I didn't pay attention when it said insurance on there. So if I would have paid attention to all the paperwork, because I work here, I brought it into work and I skimmed it, but I wasn't paying attention to that, and because I would have asked him, well, oh, wait, hold on for a minute. So you're paying this much for the mortgage, what's left, not mortgage, whatever, you're paying this much, and then what do you pay for insurance? I just didn't catch my eye, and I'll be honest with you, probably, and if that was probably maybe 3 weeks ago, and if I would have caught that, maybe I had insurance on the house, because if he would have said, I don't know if I have any money or not, or what the deal was, or because he didn't think anything about it, and I would have caught it and said, you need to get insurance on this house. But I don't even know if they would have had insurance yet, because he was in the process of, if you look at the pictures he just contacted the company too to redo the roof and add the additional siding on that. He was afraid to add on because he was afraid it was going to fall off the ladder. That's why he stopped doing it. So he literally just contacted the company to come over, put a new roof on that house, and then fix the siding on the side that he has. But he's like, well, never mind now.
Yeah.
So I don't even know if they would have, what the insurance costs, you know, well, maybe somebody would eventually have insured the house, but I don't even know if I've been able to put insurance on it within 3 weeks anyway, you know, because I'm sure they would have come out and looked at the house and like, you're going to fix this, fix that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it just, unfortunately, bad timing on everything.
It's bad timing.
Yeah. So he pretty much is like shaking his head like, you just feel so stupid, but what can you do?
It's not in his control. It wasn't in his control. There's no reason to beat himself. Yeah.
No, but he's just kind of like, but we're just trying to get the most he can and just kind of go from there and whatever. It is what it is. What can you do?
Yeah.
So, but well, I do thank you and I really appreciate it.
For sure. Yeah, if you have any questions about the companies or anything like that, I'm more happy to give any advice, but I appreciate you picking up and good luck for sure.
Well, thank you. All right. Bye-bye.
Take care.
All right, bye.
So there you go, guys. And this was my third back-to-back call. So I went bang, bang, bang. Each offer I just gave was a no-go. They all had higher offers. And each one of them, I don't know where I don't think those higher offers are legitimate. So they could be, because one of them said it was from a builder. And a builder, if they have their own crews, own materials, maybe it could have been legit. But hey man, there's days like this. But we do have we have 4 agreements out right now. So I just got the rejections, but we have 4 agreements out and 1 should be signed by the end of the day. So it's part of the game, man. I keep y'all posting. Once again, if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hey man, if you have deals, let's work together. We will get them closed for you guys, and I excuse the lack of a haircut, but talk to you guys very soon. I'm out of here. I'm going to eat lunch. Peace.